Here we have an interesting one. These are a pair of Tillisons, and they've come to me for a bag extension. The pocket bags are very, very shallow. I'm not too sure whether these are samples that he's bought. He did buy them cheap online via somewhere, so I don't want to be slagging Tillison off because I'm not too sure 100% the origin of the jeans. It may have been the samples and that's why they've done short pockets, I'm not too sure. If you measure from that point now where it's sort of entry is, they're only 4 inches deep and the customer wants them at least sort of 6 or 7 inches deep. I'm going to be using some new cotton, take the bottom of the bag off, do what I need to do and then sorting them out for the customer. So if you've got any problems with your bags that you think they're a bit too shallow and maybe your wallet's not sitting right, just get in touch and I'll sort them out for you. Yeah, thanks for watching. For more info it's www.denim.co.uk and thanks for watching. And here we have it guys, this is the after part. So nicely extended by around about 3 inches. It's all bonded on as well as being stitched on, and then you can't really see, but I've even stitched around the top parts just in case the bonding ever did come away when being washed in the future. We've stitched that as well, so there'll be no issues at all with that. It's all nice job. As you can see now, it's a nice deep pocket bag. It's a fairly thick cotton we've used. It's not too thick. If you use the really thick ones, obviously like some of the calico ones, they're really stiff and it can feel a bit uncomfortable, so we've got a nice medium weight cotton in there, so that'll be nice and durable for the customer. And as you can see now, from top to bottom, yeah, they're more like 8 3/4. Now from the top to bottom, so that'll easily fit a wallet in there, or phone, and be completely fine with keys and whatnot. I've done it with a thick jean cotton around the edges, so obviously won't have any issues with any pockets blowing out or anything like that. That'll be nice and durable as if you use thick cotton. Yep, so if you want your pocket bags extended for any reason, I do see it sometimes on jeans like APCs. They've got quite shallow pockets, they're not quite as deep as some, maybe they're only like say 5 inches. Edwin and all the other ones, they tend to do deep pockets like Levi's and stuff. But on the same token, this is a similar way I would repair a pocket as well when the bag's completely gone at the bottom and stuff. This is a similar way I would do the repair work for the new pockets. So there you have it guys. Yeah, thank you very much for tuning in and having a look at my video. If you need this doing or any other denim work, get in touch. It's michael@thedenimdoctor.co.uk on the email, and the main website is www.denimdoctor.co.uk. Yep. Thanks very much for watching. Appreciate it. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.